Make a great choice today with the 2022 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.